Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. Today I am going to unbox this smart optical backlight control LCD clock. So this is LCD clock. It has digital display, it has backlight, and alarm can be set here. Date and time is visible, and there is the manufacturer details and MRP on the top side. MRP is 999, but I bought it at an offer price of rupees 300, and this is a made in China product, and there is barcode on the other side, and LCD digital clock is written there. Front and back sides look identical, and there is a picture of the clock on both these sides. So let's open it from the top, and when you open it you can see the clock here. There is snooze or light button on the top of the clock. So let's take out this clock here. So this is our clock. It is black in color, and the time is showing here 8 o'clock is the time, 8 a.m. and when we press the light button, the light will come. So this is how the LCD backlight clock works. So when you press, light will come, bright light will come. Otherwise also there is the backlight, and all the controls and buttons are on the back. Now let's see what else is in there in the box. This should be some paperwork, some manual of the clock. So it's all written in Chinese, I think, because it's a made in China product. Maybe on the other side of the paper there will be in English. Yes, there is English on the other side. All the instructions, all the parts, all the components are introduced in this paperwork. Let's take this clock here. There is different types of adjustment. There is sensor on or off adjustment here. So that is for the temperature sensor. Temperature in degrees Celsius can also be viewed in this clock. And when you switch on the sensor button, the light will come on the clock like this. On and off of the sensor button gives the light, and this is where we select several settings or several adjustments of the clock. So here now we can adjust the alarm time. Here alarm is selected, and this is how we adjust the hour, minute, etc. So if you press the hour button, the hour will be changing like this. Now it is 3, 4, 5, etc. Now if you take the minute or date button, the minute or date will be changing, 46, 49, 50, 51, etc. Like minute is changing. You can set the correct alarm time here with that button. So up to 5 o'clock we put an alarm. And now let's select the other setting. Next settings will be date setting. So if we can now safely set the date. The month is 3 and the date is 9. This month and date can be adjusted with this button, this minute or date button. If you press it, the month or date will be changing. Now let's select the other setting. There is the time setting. So we have selected the last setting. So the time setting can also be set by the hour button and also the minute button. So if you press the hour button, the hour will be changing. If you press the minute button, the minute will be changing. And some other buttons is here. That is alarm on or off a button. The alarm off is kept. Even though we have set the alarm will not ring. And it is the date button, 12 or 24 hours we can set it with here. So now it's AM. So AM is shown. Now it's 24-hour clock, where AM is not shown. So it will be 24-hour. Now it's 12-hour clock. So these are the buttons of this clock. So this is the basic impression, first impression of this clock. As you can see, there is speakers on the back of the clock. And let's see the battery compartment. 3 AA batteries can be put here. So this is the battery compartment. Let's close this lid. So thanks for watching my video. This is the first impression of this digital clock, alarm clock. So I will be back with a new video. Until then, goodbye.